Good morning, everyone. A good devach, Shavua Tov. We are starting a new chapter today in the Meishiv Nefesh, something that is very relevant to each and to every one of us. And Be'ez Hashem, as we go through all the pages and all the insights and the chachma, the wisdom, and the Torah hashkafa, the outlook that's in this chapter, it should give us a lot of chizuk, a lot of strength and inspiration and understanding of why and how HaKadosh Baruch Hu runs His world, and how we can react in a different way than perhaps we have been up until this time. And the title of this chapter is Ashrei HaGever Asher Tisrenu Ka. Happy, fortunate is the person that HaKadosh Baruch Hu afflicts, that He challenges and gives tests to. HaNisyonos v'HaYisurim, challenges, the tests of life, v'hayisurim, and even the pain and the suffering that a person goes through. Ashrei hagever, fortunate is the man that HaKadosh Baruch Hu afflicts and punishes and gives pain to. How does that work? So he writes in his introduction, Hayisurim v'hanisyonos, tests, challenges, suffering that a person will go through in this world. They are a portion of our life for each and every person of flesh and blood. Specifically, those people that are considered to be from the Ovdei Hashem, they're servants of God. They spend their life trying to serve Hashem in the best way possible. It's impossible for a person to run away from the challenges and the suffering that Hashem brings to a person in life. He hasn't said yet why. However, he does write, Mataras Perek Zeh, the goal of this chapter is L'sayeya es ha'adam l'shanus mabatoi aleihem l'toiv, is to help a person change his perspective, the way in which he looks at these difficult aspects of his life, and he sees them l'toiv, for the good, ulahachzik ulaamitz levavoy, and to strengthen and gird his heart, la'azor chayo, to give himself power and strength in his life, lo lehichnoye ulispayo mehem, not to become overwhelmed and to be amazed and astounded by the difficulties that HaKadosh Baruch Hu sends to a person, but rather have the insight and the foresight to be able to deal with them and to overcome them and to struggle along with them in a better way, which will eventually, be'ezras Hashem, bring us closer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Ashrei misha zeichel lezeh, happy and fortunate, enriched is the life of a person who merits to look at their challenges and their suffering in such a way. We live in a world which is filled with challenges, and we live in a lifetime that is filled with difficulties and suffering and pain, heartache, all the different things that each and every one of us go through. But let us remember, if we'll learn these words properly, Be'ez Hashem, over the next month or 2 months, however long that it might take, not enough time could be spent on this, we can change the way that we look at things. And as a result of that, we'll see HaKadosh Baruch Hu's hand in everything which is taking place, and we'll look at the good and not the negative or the overwhelming, and we'll utilize everything as a vehicle to spur us to greater levels of Avodas Hashem. This is just the introduction. I look forward, Be'ez Hashem, to learning this chapter all together, and in that zechus, may we find a better way to look at the challenges and the difficulties of life and use them to bring ourselves closer to the Ribbono Shel Olam. Wishing everyone a good devach, a shavua tov, a wonderful week, and all of the best.